Hidden within the heart of Osun State lies a place many have heard of, but only a few truly understand. This is Olumirin, also known as the Erin-Ijesha Waterfall. Long before it became a tourist destination, this land existed quietly, watching generations pass. And some say the waterfall was never even discovered, that it simply revealed itself when the time was right. Others tell a different story of how it was discovered by a great hunter named Akmonjuabela, who served as a guard to Akinla, a granddaughter of Oduduwa. And speaking of Oduduwa, the ancestral father of the Yoruba people, English can now go and farabale joko ki Yoruba ṣe kíni o kó gbé láti bí yìí. ẹ ṣeun adúpẹ́. Jẹ́ n kọ́kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ látòrí disclaimer àti advice. Ìwọ tó bá mọ̀ pé ó lẹ́sẹ̀ o sì pọ́n gírí láyé rẹ̀ mọ́ dé bí o wọ́n bí o.
It's quite dangerous.
Aláǹtí kan tán ni ó dúró tó lóun ó tẹ̀lé mi dandan pé owó kan náà ṣàlàjọ san. Nígbà tá àǹtí ìjábọ̀ ẹ̀rọ Ọlọ́run sì bà mí. Ó ṣùọ̀ fún mi pé àǹtí òun àtàwọn àrọ́mọdọ́mọ rẹ̀ ò ní Erin-Ijesha wọn. But anyway, it was a really fun experience and I enjoyed the thrill. I would rate it 10 over 10, but what's the point if it's not safe for a lot of people? So I'm giving it 7 over 10. But it was a fun experience still. So about to go that way, those you might down experience by, then you should definitely visit. Oh, double.